Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to be building an on and off circuit using transistor from scratch. So let's get started. First of all, we have to pick our components. Let's pick a transistor, a generic NPN and PNP transistor, as we will be needing them. We also need resistors also again. So let's pick a generic resistor. Okay. Also we need a button that we can use. We need this button here. I think that's all we need. Place our NPN transistor. We place it here. Okay, let's move it down a bit. Then we place our resistor here. Okay. We also need a light bulb. Let's see. LED. Let's place it here. We need a ground connection. Here. So we also need a battery. Let's pull our battery. DC voltage source here. First, to our battery, we need a ground terminal connected to it. It's to 5 volts. Then we change it to 5 volts. Let's connect it to the bulb. Our button. Because this is an NPN transistor, it requires a positive voltage here before it can turn on. So okay, let's press the button. You can see that whenever we press the button, the light comes on, and if we leave it, the light goes off. So we are going to design a circuit now that whenever we press it and leave it, it will stay on whether we leave it or not. So, and that is where our NPN transistor comes in. Let's get rid of this one. That is where our PNP transistor comes in. We also get rid of this switch. There is, we need an a PNP transistor that will be latching the output of this place to that will be feeding the output to the input. So let's put this, let's rotate it, let's mirror it. Okay. Close. We have a positive here. We also need a resistor in order to protect the base of the transistor. Let's see, 50 kilo ohms resistor there should be okay. Okay, now we feed the output direct to this place, and in order to turn it on now, we simply need to supply a positive voltage to the base of this transistor. Let's add our button. Okay, let's turn it on. And as you can see, when I turn it on leaving it, the light stays on. So now, in order to switch it off, we need a way to remove the voltage here. So I'll add another switch again. Another switch here. Also, that one will be connecting it to the ground. So, okay. Press it is on. Press this one, it goes off. So, let me label it. Let me call this one on. Hold this one on. Then also call this one off. Off. Okay. There we have your circuits. Off. So that's it for you. And the upcoming video, I'm going to be designing a circuit by which if we actually don't press the button, it goes on. Press the same button, it goes off. So that we'll be needing two extra buttons. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next upcoming